IELTS Life Skills A1 Spouse Visa Test.
This is IELTS Life Skills A1 Speaking and Listening Test. It's 3rd June 2023 today. I am your interlocutor for your exam. Noman is candidate A, Vikas is candidate B. So candidate A, what's your full name?
My full name is Noman Zahid.
What can I call you?
You can call me Noman.
Can you spell your name?
Yes, I can. Noman, Noman.
Where do you come from?
I come from Pakhar, Pakistan.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm shopkeeper.
Tell me about the things that you like to do in your hometown.
I like to go in the park, and I like to go on restaurant. I like to eat fast foods. My favorite is
Thank you.
pizza and
When's
burger.
your birthday and how do you celebrate it?
And my birthday is 23rd May, and I celebrate with my family and my friends and my relatives.
What's your favorite food and how often do you eat it?
My favorite food is fast food, and my favorite food is pizza and burgers, and I like to eat on weekends.
Thank you. Candidate A. Candidate B, what's your full name?
My full name is Vikas Ahmed.
What can I call you?
You can call me Vikas.
Can you spell your name?
Waqas.
Where do you come from?
I come from Rahim Yar Khan.
And what do you do?
I am shopkeepers.
All right. Please tell me about the popular jobs in your country.
My country popular jobs, many jobs. Engineers, some are doctors, some are electricians, some are driving,
Thank
and some
you.
are.
Thank you. What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week, Sunday.
How do you travel to your favorite place?
Favorite place, I like to go Muddy, and with my friends, I go one a week. So
How do you travel to your favorite place?
I travel by car.
Thank you so
My
much.
favorite
Thank you.
place.
Thank you. Now, candidate A, you will ask questions from candidate B about his favorite website, and candidate B, you will ask questions from candidate A about life in his country. Candidate A, please ask your questions from candidate B about the given topic. Favorite
Okay.
website.
Vikas, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay. Do you use any website?
Yes, I use any website.
Okay. What is your favorite website?
My favorite website is Google Chrome.
Okay. How often do you use your favorite website?
I use my favorite website daily. Have 1 hour.
Okay. Why do you use your favorite website?
I use study English, and sometime I use play sports, and I I like to buy online shoppings.
Okay. Do you use the Raz mobile to buy online shopping?
Sorry, repeat.
Do you use what is your favorite website to use by using by online shopping?
Yes, I use Draz website. I use online shopping.
Okay. What do you buy?
I like to buy clothes, and sometime foods, and sometime I buy clothes website.
Okay. Do you use How many website do you use?
I use mobile favorite website, and daily 1 hour use website.
Do you use UC browser websites?
Yes, I use the browser.
What website do you use to download English movies, like any
Yes,
movies?
yes, I use Pakistani movies, and sometimes I use English movies, and
What
I
website do you use to download? What is the
uh,
name?
I use website YouTube's download music and movies.
Thank
Okay,
you.
do
Thank you so much, candidate A, for your questions. Now, candidate B, please ask your questions from candidate A about life in his country. You only have 2 minutes to question, and your time begins now.
Naman ready?
yes. Ready.
What what is your do, what is your life in your country?
Life is my country is very busy. Uh, People in living in my country, some people are different type of jobs in my country. Some people are doctor, plumber, engineer, banker, etc.
Okay, mm, how do you travel around in your city?
How do you travel?
Mm,
I like to travel by my car in my city, in my country.
country.
Okay, I like to travel by my car to go outside, out of country.
Okay, do you have restaurants in your country?
Yes, I have many restaurants in my country.
Uh, what is your favorite things in your country?
Uh, Everything is good. I don't know what is your question. Sorry, repeat.
Okay. Do you have jobs in your country?
Yes, different this type of jobs in my country. Some people are office jobs, some people are farmer jobs, some people are hanger jobs. So
Okay.
different type of jobs in my country.
Do you have park in your country?
Yes, I have many parks in my country. Very big park in my countries. Very beautiful parks. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have schools in your countries?
Yes, I have very good schools in my countries.
Okay.
English schools and English medium schools is very good schools in my countries. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have shopping mall and markets in your country?
Yes. I have many supermarketing and shopping malls in my countries. Different locations like Lahore, Karachi, Multan, different cities or different shopping malls in different located.
Do you have good transport system in your country?
Yes, I think.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do
Thank you. Thank you so much, candidate A and candidate B. Now we are going to move to a discussion round, and in this discussion, you will talk to each other about your favorite sports. You have 3 minutes, and your time begins now.
Okay.
Am I
Ustaz, are you
ready?
ready? Yeah, ready.
What is your favorite sports?
My favorite sports game is cricket. What about you? What is your favorite
Uh,
sports game?
my favorite sport is football.
All
Okay.
right.
Where
And
do
do you
you
like to play football? Yeah,
where do you go to play cricket?
I like to go in a cricket academy. Sometimes I
Yeah.
like to go in the ground. What about you?
I go to play football in the ground. What other sport do you like?
I like hockey because it is an international game in my country. So, and I like sometime I like play cricket. I play football. What
Okay.
about you? What is?
Yes, I like
Do you like
cricket.
cricket?
Yes, I like cricket and footballs and hockeys. How often do you play cricket?
Uh, I like to play cricket once a week because I don't have a time to play every day.
Mhm.
What about you? How
Yes,
often do
I
you play
play.
cricket?
Yes, I play it every day. Football
Oh, nice.
games.
Okay, do you like cricket?
Yes, I like cricket. At
What
what
is your
time do
favorite
you
best?
play? Yeah,
Yeah. What is your favorite best man? What is your favorite person in your favorite sports game?
my favorite best uh, ball. What is your favorite best man?
My favorite batsman is Babar Azam and Fakhar Zaman.
Okay. Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes,
Yeah.
I watching matches on TV. What about you?
Yes, I watch uh, s- sports on TV.
Do
Which
you
is
like hockey?
repeat question?
Do you like hockey?
Yes, I like hockey. What about you?
Yeah, I like hockey. Do you like volleyball?
Yes, I like to volleyball. With who do you like go to play cricket?
I like to play cricket with my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
With who do you
Uh,
like to play cricket? Uh, with who do
I
you
like.
like to play football?
Yes, I like to play with my friends. Who is your favorite team?
My
Which is
favorite
your
team is
favorite team?
Pakistan.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, candidate A and candidate B. Now we're going to perform a listening test together. The word is batsman,
Yeah,
batting
Best
man.
man.
But the good question is you straight away ask, who's your
Best.
favorite sportsman? Right? Because best man is not a word in English. Batsman,
favorite.
Best.
Yeah,
batting man. So the best thing is that ask a person, who's your favorite sportsman?
Who's your favorite sportsman? Okay.
Or who's your favorite cricketer? If someone is asking about cricket, then ask about who's your favorite cricketer, who's your favorite footballer, who's your
Hmm.
favorite tennis player. Anyways,
Player.
thank you. Thank you. Now let's move to the next part of the test. All right. Candidate A, you will tell me what is the information about and recording 1, party, shop, or flight. Candidate B, you will tell me what is the information about and recording 2, party, shop, or flight. Let's listen to the recording.
This is a customer announcement. We would like to tell all our customers that our shop will remain closed for 1 week because of refurbishment work. But our online service will continue as usual, so you can order whatever you want from online. We apologize for this temporary inconvenience. We are hoping to resume all our services on 15th of April.
Recording 2.
This is a recorded message for Mr. Smith. We are sorry to announce that your flight from London to Paris at 5 p.m. has been cancelled because of heavy snow. If you have any query regarding your flight, you can email us on our official email ID. We are optimistic that we will be able to arrange your flight at 8 o'clock in the morning, so we have rescheduled your flight for 8.
All right. Candidate A, could you tell me what is the information about in recording 1? Open your mic and
Shop.
tell. Thank you. Candidate B, what is the information about in recording 2?
Flight.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we're going to listen again and answer. Candidate B. B. From the first recording, why the shop will remain closed and when all the service will start. When will all the service will start? Candidate A. In the second recording, where is the man going and what time his flight is rescheduled? Let's listen to the recording once again.
This is a customer announcement. We would like to tell all our customers that our shop will remain closed for 1 week because of refurbishment work. But our online service will continue as usual, so you can order whatever you want from online. We apologize for this temporary inconvenience. We are hoping to resume all our services on 15th of April.
Recording 2.
This is a recorded message for Mr. Smith. We are sorry to announce that your flight from London to Paris at 5 p.m. has been cancelled because of heavy snow. If you have any query regarding your flight, you can email us on our official email ID. We are optimistic that we will be able to arrange your flight at 8 o'clock in the morning, so we have rescheduled your flight for 8.
Candidate B, please open your mic and tell me why the shop will remain closed. Why?
Why 1 a week?
Why? What reason? What reason? What reason? Why? Why close? Why?
Why
Why?
15?
Hello.
No. Why is reason? Why is reason?
Reason is very busy.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So why means reason. Why? If you say teacher, class today, and I say no class, you say why teacher? Why no class? Why? This why means reason. Give me reason. Why? Understand it? Okay. When all the service will start? When? When?
15 April.
Okay, that's nice. Candidate A, in the second recording, where is the man going? Anyone else from the class could tell me where is the man going? Where? Anyone else from the class can tell me where is the man going? Where is the man going?
8 o'clock.
To Paris
To Paris. And what time his flight is rescheduled? What time?
at 5.
9, I think 9 o'clock.
Okay, let's check who is correct. Both are wrong.
8.
8 o'clock. And the where is the man going? The man is going to Paris. Why the shop will remain closed? This is a big word. What's the name? Because refurbishment means repair work. Repair work. Yes, repair work. This is a big word, but I'm happy that you gave me the answer 15th April. First recording was about shop. Second recording was about flight. So
Flight.